Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda. My friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining again. I know it's been a while since I filmed. I'm really sorry. I'm here now and I'm getting ready for a date night with my husband. So if you want to see how I did this and what I used, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I did already prep my skin with the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. Been loving that moisturizer. I did receive it in a BoxyCharm. So now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I got this in an Ipsy and I've used it a couple times and I gotta say, I actually really enjoy it. So I just squeezed a small amount onto my hand and we're just gonna rub this in all over. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline New York. This is the Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I absolutely love this stuff. Mine is in the shade 118 Light Beige. It is a beautiful full coverage foundation and it is so freaking affordable. So I'm just going to dot some of this around my face. Now with my trusty beauty blender, we're just gonna blend it all in. Let's get my hair out of the way. Now that we're done with that, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. It blends so beautifully. I was obsessed with the Too Faced Multi-Use Concealer, which replaced my Tarte Shape Tape, and then I tried this, and now this is my go-to concealer. It's not cakey, it's not heavy, it blends beautifully, the finish is beautiful, and you know what? It is so affordable. So affordable. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder. This setting powder is truly amazing. I absolutely love this stuff. It sets everything so beautifully. I don't get creasing under my eyes. It leaves a beautiful finish. Love this stuff. I was obsessed with the Laura Mercier setting powder, and this has replaced it. I do use it all over my face. And now that my face is all set, before I go any further, we're gonna fix up these brows. And to do that, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I love this guy. On the one end, you get the felt tip, which creates the perfect little hair strokes. And on the other end, you get the pencil for filling in, and it is so creamy. It just applies so beautifully. So if you will excuse me for a minute. And they're not perfect, but they're on and they're a little better. Now for bronzer or contour, I'm going to use this Cover FX palette. It is the Perfector Face Palette. I have mine in the shade Light Medium. I have not been able to put this palette down since I got it. I'll do my whole face using this palette, eyes, everything. Like, I'll have to do a video on full face just using this palette because my goodness, it is amazing. So I'm going to take this Moda brush. I'm not sure, there's no number on it. Just looks like this. And I'm going to dip it into the contour shade. And I'm just going to start contouring. I absolutely love this brush for this. It came in BoxyCharm and it was supposed to be for a light glow, for like a highlighter. I hate it for highlighter, but I love it for contouring and bronzer. Oh my goodness. It picks up just the perfect amount. You don't have to worry about getting it too dark all at once because it just, oh, I love this brush. I always go under here a little bit. Sorry, I'm covering my face with the palette. Can't even see what I'm doing. My goodness. And I want to apologize. I know I haven't been filming as much lately. My husband did recently just break his collarbone. And life has been a little bit crazy. And he's been pretty sore, hasn't been able to move much or, you know, help with the kids too much or anything. So, yeah. I do have a chance right now to film, so I'm gonna do it. Now, with this bigger Moda brush, I'm going to go into the blush shade in this palette because it's beautiful. And I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics, this is my, what is this? The Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush. And I'm going to go into the finishing powder. It has a little bit of a sheen to it. It's just really, really pretty. I find it helps to blend everything. And it just leaves a beautiful finish onto the skin. So I just kind of put it over top of everything and it blends in my lines from doing my contouring and my blush. Now, I don't know if I want to use the highlighters in this palette or if I want to use my Ofra. I think I'm going to go in with Ofra. Because this is the, what is this? The Star Island highlighter. Oh my goodness. Ofra makes some of the best highlighters ever. I mean, oh, it's just so pretty. So I'm going to throw this on my face. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques little brush because I love this brush for highlight. And now we're highlighted. For my eyeshadow, I want to do something that is going to look really glam, but it's going to be very quick and very easy. And for that, I'm going to be using Mother Pat. Pat Mcgrath. Oh, she's amazing. This is the Bronzed Seduction palette that I will be going in with today because I just feeling the warmer toned looks. And I'm going to start off, you know what, I'm just going to start by I think I'm going to take this shade right here on my finger. It's like a beautiful rose gold kind of color. I mean, look at that. Oh, and I'm going to put this all over my lid, just with my finger here. Can we see what is happening? I love these shadows. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So, I mean, if you wanted to, you could just leave the shadow just like that, because this shadow on its own is stunning. I don't know if the camera is picking up how beautiful and sparkly it is, but I want to add a little bit of shape and whatnot. So I'm going to go in with this lightest brown shade here, just on this little brush. And I'm just going to put it in my outer corner and in through my crease. And I'm kind of bringing it up at the outer edge, because I do have slightly downward tilted eyes. So I find when I bring my shadow up, it helps to make my eyes look not downward sloped. Now with that same brush, I'm just going to dip into this slightly darker brown. I'm just going to do the same thing. Just creating a little bit more depth to the eye. I'm not bringing the darker brown up quite as high. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this red on a little smudge brush. This one's from Smashbox. And I'm going to get it wet with some MAC Fix Plus. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this topper-like shade right here. It comes up all kinds of different colors. I can't describe it. It's just beautiful. I'm going to use this tiny little brush and some MAC Fix Plus. Bring it slightly into the inner portion of the eye as well, just to kind of brighten it up a bit, open it up a bit. For my brow bone, I'm going to take this lightest shade here. So pretty. All right, I'm going to quickly do my liner and lashes. And eyes are done. For my liner, I use the Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper. And for mascara, I use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Love this stuff. Oh my goodness. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Unbuttoned. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous nude shade. I absolutely love it. And the formulation of this lipstick, I want all of them. All of them. I need them all. Now, to set everything in place so it doesn't move, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray. That's quite the mouthful, but... Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me get up a little bit closer here and show you. I think it turned out beautiful, as looks always do using Pat McGrath. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, you got to hit the bell. Also, I have a giveaway going on right now as we speak. I will link it up in here somewhere. So just click on that. It will bring you to the giveaway. Watch it, follow the rules, and be entered, and you can win some free shit, so why not? Anyways, guys, enough rambling, and until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.